In this video, I'm going to show you a hack to get more connections on LinkedIn. Well, if I scroll down on our profile now, you can see that one person have viewed our profile, and that is not good enough. These are the last 90 days. Well, this is a demo account, but what we can do is we can go to Google, search for something called Ducks Soup, and this is not a soup that we want to order. This is a Chrome extension. If I go here, this is essentially an extension that will help us to visit other people's profiles in LinkedIn in order to get a visit from them, in order to see our beautiful profile so they start connecting with us. We can try this out. We can also buy this, but we're gonna try this out. This is a free version. This is a browse extension. Free version means that we have some possibilities within this program, but if you want to buy this, you get even more. Okay, now it's downloaded. So if we click on this duck up here, they will have us to log in with Google. Just like that. Show bros. Okay. And click on reload. Cool. Now it's on our account, really. So what we would like to do is go back here. What this tool will help us do. If we, for example, go to the search tab here, take this small business, because we help small business owners optimize their digital marketing strategy. Type that in here and click on enter. And we would like to target these people to start getting more connections. As you can see, Duck Soup at your service. Now it's connected. Instead of going over all of these connections, what you can do is basically go to this tool up here and click on visit profiles. What this will do then is, would you like to look for email addresses other than your first degree connections? Have it as default and click on yes. As you can see now, we start connecting with people, meaning we are visiting their profile in order for them to come and visit our profile, for us to really see, for them to really see what we have in store for them and what we can give out and help them with. So as you can see, this works a lot right now in the background here. So instead of going in and connecting with all these people, this tool is working out for itself. So in order to go and start getting this tool working for you, go here and search in the Google for something called Ducks Soup, and go to this Chrome extension here and download it, so it starts working for you instead of you have to clicking around and start connecting with people. So do that now. I will also have this in the resources for this video, so go ahead and start connecting with people on LinkedIn. Good luck.